Why do we keep settling where we don't belong? Why do we stay in a place where we are not respected, where we constantly proving our worth, where our presence feel optional instead of appreciated? Is it because of fear? Maybe it is attachment. Maybe it is the hope that this time things will be different. But deep down, we already knew. We have been here before. We have felt the pain before. And we promised ourselves we wouldn't make the same mistake twice. So let me ask you, if you have grown a space, why are you still shrinking to fit in it? Don't settle where you don't belong this time. Choose yourself this time. Choose peace this time. Choose yourself again and again and again. Yes.